Good day, welcome to Martinez Design. In the continuation of our Terrace Duplex we are working on. So in the last episode, we were able to create. Let me give you on 3D. We were able to create roof and complete some of the staircase halfway that we have there that are not been completed. So this is how far we have for this particular project for now. So let us continue to develop and get everything done in the perfect way. So now we want to focus on the elevation. So to develop elevation, we need to bring all the openings into place, especially the windows. So I'm going to start there using normal windows to create it. I used to tell you I don't too much like paparazzi on the window because it's just a normal something. So you just create and just make use of what you want to have. So I'm going to use this particular one. Let me use this one, a long window I love using. So I'm going to create it that way and I'll be putting it in the place it's supposed to be. So 21. So I'm going to do that here since this one is able. I don't have another one yet as well. So this is a kitchen and decide to have a long window as well, and then it's a matter. So this is door, then to introduce one. Remember, it's a terrace, you don't need to have from any side. So you have to be very careful when you are selecting the aspect. So I'm not going to put here because I have different things to do this level, but I can introduce one at this side for a reason. So I'm going to put one here as well. So I think with that I'm okay with this. So I have entrance here. So let me go to door. I'm going to get the door. I'm going to go save door here. So door, select door and come to this particular one. So you can make use of it. If you are a member of my channel, maybe you can requested for that. So but I have a lot of library to share with people but in as much as these things are not. So I'm going to put door here. No, sorry. Just supposed not to be here, you don't need to have door in this particular place, so delete it. So I think I have this one in place now. So let's go to level 1. Let's go and see. So do the same thing by introducing windows. So correct the part by giving you the accurate thing. So this is the toilet. So just let this one flow to the back. So what closer does not need to have anything. So just like out of the windows as this space you have as well. So this is the entrance you can introduce to this place. So I think with this you can just have to, because you have an open place, but the master to have that space here. So this is we are going to bring door into this particular place. So I'm going to create door now. So I'm going to have double door as well, but it's going to flow to the wall. So as I have this one now, what I need to do is that I need to focus on my foundation level because that's the aspect is flowing. So I will quickly go there by saying select. Under the select aspect, so I'm going to say let me go to level 1. All I just need to do is very select on instance here in this view, and say copy to clipboard. So I'll go to level 1, then you say paste. From here now, say align to this current view. So it's there. So what I then need to do is to adjust the height. So I'm going to say 800. So I always use number 1000 as my own. At join whatsoever that is not reasonable. So I'm joining there. So what I need to select now is to select this and say select all instance in this view. Then delete everything that concerning that I have done relationship with that. So select all instance in this view as well. Then you delete as well. So the last part is select all instance in this view, and then you delete. So all this one is making it more easy for you. Select all instance and delete, because when you are doing your cutting your section, you don't need to be too bothered about what is ground force is giving you. So I'm going to go to 3D now. You see this is what I've created. So it is not over now. So what I need to go back to is to select from level 1, from level 2. So that's aspect I need to bring this one out. So I'll say edit. So this one need to come out to do the needful for. So I'm going to select this one. So this part is going to come out than this. So that's the way I want to do it. So I'm going to say okay, since I have that in place now, I can just select this one. Yes, align. Okay, I think it's at the middle. Okay, it is okay. So just select this and then this. Now I want to do something because I'm seeing that this part is a little bit small and narrow. I don't like what I'm seeing there because it's supposed to be something of a balcony. So I'm going to select, I will adjust it. So I think with this, so you can just calculate this is 9. So it's select, let's get it to 1000. So as we have that, now delete this one. There, finish. You just need to align this to the very okay. So that is it for that aspect. So you look at it from 3D and then you see that you are building something great. So now from the hub you need to go and adjust it, but you can do that on 3D by selecting this surface and you put this surface in place. Look, so definitely put yourself by adjusting straight up. So every other thing you need to do, I'm seeing the roof cutting out to the body, so I'm going to work on that as well. So edit in place. So I will go to level 3, work the joint out. So I think with this I can safely move on. I say don't attach. Okay, how the falling and everything is here like that. So now let's say we are in this. So what I'm saying here now is that the whole thing is getting completed and accurate. So the railing system you need to use, you can just use normal railing on this. If you want to build your own, you can decide. Well, I'm going to use normal railing on this one. So I'm going to do that by saying level 2. So let me just click on architecture and then I'll use my railing. So say sketch railing straight up. So sketch the railing and let it stay. Good. So click finish. Then the next thing is that you do the same thing for at this level. So you can just draw around. Then you go around this space. So we still need to work on this. Just click here and see how far you go with it. So click finish like that. So when you look at it from the 3D part, okay, sorry. Then look at it on 3D. This is how far you have on the design you are working out. So a lot of things you need to work, you still need to do, you still need to put in place, you still need to dive into. But for now, this is how far we are. So I'm going to work on this one now. Edit in place. Just edit the boundary. So what I do is that I will go to level 1. So I will switch this one out. So it's done. So this one is going to come out like 600. It's still like this. So I will break it here and I will align it there. Okay, so that is a beautiful thing that I've done in this particular area. So for the brief and the accuracy of what I've displayed here, this is how far the whole thing. So I can just like let me quickly do annotation for the upper floor. So I will remove the underlay. Don't want to see anything below. So I will just select where, let's say master bedroom. Master bedroom. Okay. So this is another bedroom. Remember, we have only just 2 bedrooms to work on. Okay, this is their toilet. This is balcony. Balcony. Okay. Okay, and this is a balcony as well. Okay. Then there's another balcony. Okay. So you see the stair part, the stair hall, and this is a closet. Closet. So this is your toilet. Last part. Okay. So with this now, you can just like go in now. So let me click row names here. Let's say duplicate and create the same thing and highlight it here. I can click finish on everything is in order. think so. Now let me quickly do this one. I'm just going to use the same long window for that work. I'm not going to break it, but I'm looking at something that will change. Let me just use this particular architecture. Let me use the curtain wall or stock fronts. Okay, let me use curtain stock fronts. So this one is going to be 500. So from 500 now, I will just mirror. Use what I need. Okay. Fine. So some mirror now. Select 3D to be precise. So I have it in the ground floor. So I'm going to select the 2. What I need now is to say from the base, I will just say from level 1. So my base is going to be something like 300 above. Then unconnected 300. So I'm not going to split that one. I'm just unconnected 5,600. And let me see what we go on with. Yeah, I have it now. It's longer like this and it's pretty and okay and obvious. So now my one next line of action is that because now that we have this in place, we are not considering them before, but we need to consider them. But this one has been taken over. But I'm not going to leave it that way, so I will cut it off from what I'm seeing. So I will go to level 2 and I will say connect this as well. So you break this into 2. Oh yeah, you break them into 2 like this and break this one. So what you need now is select, okay, and then you select. So when you click on it, so you look at it from 3D. Is there any other area that needs to be pay attention to is this part. So now you can adjust everything you want to adjust and give you what you need as a normal setting. So you're gonna come back here to do work on that. So as I've done with this one, I'm leaving this one in this way. So the education journey started and we shall continue to move step by step until we arrive at the beautiful aspect of what we are created. So with this one in place now, that's so that there is a level of total confidence in what we are creating. By the time we finish and put everything in place, everybody is going to see that yes, there is reason to which we are designing it. So for that purpose, how will you do this at this level? So because I'm feeling somehow, so I'll come back to finish this particular one for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.